Sleep apnea. Everyone seems to be talking about it now. You hear about it everywhere, online, on radio, on TV. Perhaps your significant other or your physician has suggested that you get tested for sleep apnea. You're wondering whether this really pertains to you, and you don't know what to do. Well, welcome to the Snore and Sleep Apnea Solutions website. I'm Dr. Howard Hoffman. Click the link below for your free Snore and Sleep Apnea Solutions personalized action plan designed especially for you.